Hello, I'm Linda Davis with WorkForce Solutions Greater Dallas. Today, I'm at our third annual Healthcare Career Fair, co-sponsored with the Dallas County Community College District. Healthcare is one of the top growth industries in Dallas with excellent career paths, good wages, and a wide diversity of jobs. Healthcare systems need more than doctors and nurses. They need staff in operations, security, administration, finance, food service, and technology to keep around-the-clock facilities operating smoothly and safely. We have over 120 major companies attending today's event, looking to fill more than 1,500 openings. Our presenters represent a cross-section of companies who are actively looking for qualified applicants to fill a wide variety of current openings. So take a moment and listen to their advice about healthcare jobs today and in the future.
The community college system is a really great resource for individuals, for working adults that are looking to move up in the ladder, to build skills, to earn higher wage. Our role is really ensuring that they have the right information as to the different training programs, both on the credit side and on the continuing ed side within the network. When they think about healthcare, students or community members think about nursing or a doctor is an opportunity to get into the healthcare field, when really there's 140 things in between. There's the medical front office. That's a really popular way to enter into the healthcare career, whether you want to work in a hospital system or maybe a clinic. Are you going into that nursing pathway, or perhaps you're considering a tech program like respiratory care or radiologic technician?
Los Barrios Unidos Community Clinic is an outpatient health center with 4 locations in Dallas. A typical day for an LVN would mean working with the physician who treat patients from infants, from little tiny babies, to pregnant moms, to adults, to geriatric patients, and everything in between. Los Barrios Unidos Community Clinic is looking for medical assistants. We expect our LVNs to assist the physicians, and they get the patients ready for the doctor. They perform vital signs such as taking blood pressure, heights and weights, respirations, temperature, that kind of thing. A qualified applicant will be someone who has completed the training program at an accredited medical assistant program. And we look for someone who ideally has a year or so experience and ideally will speak Spanish.
The Dallas area is kind of a sweet spot for CVS. We have a number of business units that reside here. Our retail sector is here. We also have a PBM. We have Omnicare, and we have Quorum. Pharmacy Benefits Management Program manages the insurance companies that we partner with at CVS. Omnicare is our long-term pharmacy care. Quorum is CVS's infusion company. They hire nurses, pharmacy technicians, pharmacists to deliver care to patients inside of their homes. Job seekers in the Dallas area have a large number of jobs to choose from at CVS. Everything from entry-level positions to professional positions. At the core of CVS is pharmacy, and so our number one position would be our pharmacists and our pharmacy technicians. We do programs that help youth, first jobs. We do programs that help veterans. We do programs that help mature workers, and we also do programs that help people with disabilities. The perfect employee at CVS would be someone who is passionate about the same purpose that we have, which is to help people on their path to better health. You're compassionate, you care about individuals, you're responsible, and you have a desire to learn and grow, then you're a perfect individual to come work for CVS.
We have 4 hospitals: Centennial, Sunnyvale, Lake Point, and White Rock. Tenet is a fabulous place to work, especially here in the Dallas market. We've got a very, very dedicated team of managers, CEOs, directors who are very, very committed. Although Tenet's workforce is primarily clinical positions, we also staff non-clinical positions. For example, we've got accounts payable in accounting, And this is a great way to getting into a county. And then if you continue with your education, you can become a staff accountant as well as a senior accountant. The other position that I'm recruiting for is general maintenance, and we require at least 3 years general maintenance experience, but we will consider experience of someone that has worked in a large facility doing general maintenance. Someone who has a strong work ethic, who's very committed and can bring a good value system, their own personal values to the unit that they're going to work in, especially.
We are a quasi-government agency providing services for children, adolescents, and adults living with some type of behavioral health concern or mental illness. But also the other side of the agency, what we do is IDD services, or intellectual and developmental disability services. We have clinics all across Dallas County. Currently we have 14 different centers where individuals can receive help. So we also do pharmacy services, primary care services, and of course behavioral health services. So we do med management and we do counseling, therapies, you name it. When you think about MetroCare, you think about behavioral health services, you think of psychiatry, you think of nurse practitioners. There's many other positions that we hire for. We are in need of business managers. We need business support staff. We need medical assistants. At our agency, I believe above 30% are Spanish-speaking patients that we serve. However, our bilingual staff doesn't translate into that. So there's a shortage. Right now we're at about 12%, 13% of Spanish-speaking individuals within our agency. So we need to grow that. So when we mean shortage, we're talking about qualified mental health professionals, we need bilinguals, service coordinators, we need bilinguals, licensed professional counselors, we need bilinguals, medical assistants, we need bilinguals, and of course you can just go all the way up until you get to psychiatry level, which is the highest level.
Thank you to our presenters. We are pleased that we could provide you with experts who provided such valuable information. I'm sure you would agree there are excellent opportunities available in healthcare for a job today or to train for tomorrow. And for more information, please go to our website, wfsdallas.com.